Hello and welcome. This special lecture is to teach you how to perfectly apply the technique by keeping a few numbers in brain. And I hope you will solve all the tables covered here once again. Now here we have to write 12 times 6. We will multiply this 6 by 1, but the place value of this 1 is 10. So 6 times 10 is 60 plus 6 times 2, that is 12. 60 plus 12. The answer is 72. Similarly, 8 times 10 is 80 and 8 times 2 is 16. 80 plus 16. The answer becomes 96. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 4 times 3 is 12. 40 plus 12. The answer becomes 52. 9 times 10 is 90 and 9 times 3 is 27. And we can split 27 to 10 plus 17, so 117. 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 2 is 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 4 is 24. So 60 plus 24 is 84. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 4 times 5 is 20. 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 5 is 35. And we can split this 35 to 30 plus 5. So 70 plus 30 plus 5. That is 105. 3 times 10 is 30 and 3 times 6 is 18. 30 plus 18 becomes 48. 9 times 10 is 90 and 9 times 6 is 54. And we can split this 54 to 10 plus 44. So 90 plus 10 plus 44. 100 plus 44, that is 144. 4 times 10 is 40 and 4 times 7 is 28. 40 plus 28, 68. 6 times 10 is 60 and 6 times 7 is 42. 60 plus 42, that is 60 plus 40 plus 2. So 102. Now let's take a few more examples. Now 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 8 is 40. 50 plus 40 becomes 90. 7 times 10 is 70 and 7 times 8 is 56. With 70 we need 30 more to make it 100. So we split this 56 to 30 plus 26 in our mind. So 70 plus 30 plus 26. So the answer becomes 126. Now 19 times 4. 4 times 10 is 40 and 4 times 9 is 36. So 40 plus 36, that is 76. 9 times 10 is 90 and 9 times 9 is 81. 90 plus 81. We can split this 81 to 10 plus 71. So 90 plus 10 plus 71, that is 100 plus 71, 171. Now 4 times 2, but this is 20. The place value of this 2 is 20. So 4 times 20 is 80. 80 in brain and 4 times 3 is 12. 80 plus 12. This becomes 80 plus 12, that is 92. Now 5 times 20 is 100 and 5 times 6 is 30. So 100 plus 30, 130. Similarly, the place value of this 3 is 30. So 3 times 30 is 90 and 3 times 4 is 12. And we can split this 12 to 10 plus 2, giving 102. So 7 times 30 is 210. 210 plus 7 times 4 is 28. So the answer becomes 238. 6 times 30 is 180. So 180 in brain and 6 times 5 is 30. So 180 plus 30. We can split this 30 to 20 plus 10, giving 210. 8 times 3 is 24, but the place value of this 3 is 30. So 8 times 30 is 240. And 8 times 5 is 40. So the answer becomes 280. Now 5 times 4 is 20, but the place value of this 4 is 40. So 5 times 40 is 200. 200 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So the answer is 210. Now 7 times 4 is 28. But the place value of this 4 is 40. So 7 times 40 is 280. And 7 times 2 is 14. This gives us 294. 5 times 5 is 25. But the place value of this 5 is 50. So 5 times 50 is 250. Plus 5 times 3 is 15. So the answer is 265. 8 times 5 is 40. But the place value of this 5 is 50. So 8 times 50 is 400. Plus 8 times 3, that is 24. So 424. Now 7 times 6 is 42. But the place value of this 6 is 60. So 7 times 60 is 420. Plus 7 times 3 is 21. So 441. 4 times 60 is 240. And 4 times 9 is 36. So 276. Now 6 times 70 is 420. And 6 times 2 is 12. So the answer is 432. Now 8 times 7 is 56. But the place value of this 7 is 70. So 8 times 70 is 560. Plus 8 times 4 is 32. So answer is 592. 4 times 8 is 32. But the place value of this 8 is 80. So 4 times 80 is 320. Plus 4 times 3, that is 12. So the answer is 332. 9 times 80 is 720. Plus 9 times 9 is 81. We can split this 81 to 80 plus 1, giving 801. 5 times 90 is 450. Plus 5 times 3 is 15. So 465. 6 times 90 is 540. Plus 6 times 7 is 42. So 582 is the answer. 9 times 90 is 810. Plus 9 times 9 is again 81. So this becomes 891. And now the tables of numbers more than 100. So 125 times 7 we have to write. 7 times 1 is 7. But the place value of this 1 is 100. So 7 times 100 is 700. And the 7 times 2 is 14. But the place value of this 2 is 20. And 7 times 5 is 35. So 700 plus 100 plus 40 is 840 plus 35. So 840 plus 35 is 875. 4 times 200 is 800. And 4 times 30 is 120. Plus 4 times 6, that is 24. Now 800, if you split this to 120, this becomes 920. And plus 24 is 944. 6 times 3 is 18. But the place value of this number is 300. So 6 times 300 is 1800. Plus 6 times 10 is 60. Plus 6 times 4 is 24. So 1860 plus 24 is 1884. 5 times 400 is 2000. Plus 5 times 30 is 150. Plus 5 times 2, that is 10. So this has become 2160. 9 times 700 is 6300. Plus 9 times 30 is 270. Plus 9 times 9, that is 81. So 6300 plus 270 is 6570. And if we split this to 30 plus 51, this becomes 6600 plus 51. So 6651 is the answer. Now here 3 times 800 is 2400 plus 3 times 10 is 30 plus 3 times 7 is 21. So this becomes 2430 plus 21 or 2451. So this is how you can practice. Writing the table of 3-digit numbers can be slightly difficult and needs more practice, but writing the tables of numbers below 100 is very easy and you can write the answers in no time. And now there is a task to practice more tables. There are around 8 sheets for practice of the tables. And answers are also given to you. Now here I would like to tell you, practicing Vedic math by keeping a few numbers in brain and mentally calculating tables will enhance your skill and activate your both sides of brain. So this is the beauty of Vedic math, and again practice, practice and practice.